Many people dey ask me, boss man, how I fit take start to dey learn programming? I no go lie to you, the best way to learn programming na to learn the simplest languages. And right now, the simplest language wey we get na HTML and CSS. Even if you no plan to become web developer, if you learn HTML and CSS just to understand some simple programming concepts, and so that you sef go fit start to dey write code small small. Once you start to dey write code small small, you dey see the result of the code wey you dey write. E go give you encouragement to go far. From there, you fit come start to dey learn maybe JavaScript or Python. If I wan choose between both of them, I go tell you say na Python be the simplest to learn because the syntax dey very simple to follow. E just be like say you dey write English language. If you start today, within 1 week, you don learn HTML, another week you don learn CSS, and in 1 or 2 months, if you don learn JavaScript or Python chap chap. All of these tutorial dey my YouTube page, and I dey teach you in ways wey you go take understand am easily with pidgin. So no forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you for your attention to today's matter.